Hello students, let's have a look at these images. What do you think about them? We have bunch of keys, group of letters, a pile of books and a bunch of flowers. The one thing that can be seen in common is that everything is in form of group or set, and well, that is the topic for today. Sets. But what exactly is a set? A set can be formed of anything that can be well defined or distinct. Now let's see, what do you mean by well defined or distinct? Let's take an example. A set of numbers from 1 to 10. Now this is well defined. You can list all these numbers also, right? So this can be a set. Let's consider another example. A set of smart students, a set of generous people. Can this be considered a set? No, not exactly, because here smart or generous cannot be defined or measured, or we can see these are relative terms because the meaning of this word will change from individual to individual. Hence, we cannot make a set of this situation. Let's take a simpler example. A set of all the letters that comes after T. So what our letter will be there? U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes. So this can be also called a set, right? Let's see of this example if we can form a set of them or not. The first one is States of India. So can we form of set this? Yes, because there are 29 states of India and you can list all of them. And second one is strong students in our class. Well, this cannot be a set because strong is a relative term. But suppose here I will add a condition like students who weigh more than 50 kg in a class are to be considered as strong. Can now this form a set? Yes, because now we have a number of quantity or well defined and distinct property that we can use and form this set. Let's see the next one. Students who have scored 70% and above in the last semester. Yes, you can form a set of this. Collection of great people in the world. Again, great is a relative term and we cannot form a set of this. So I hope by now you know what are sets and in which condition we can form. You know what are sets and in which condition we can form a set and cannot form a set. Thank you.